Diane from Creative Memories Home Office. I'm super excited today to do an unboxing with you for our new Picture This collection. Isn't it gorgeous? So we are going to start by talking about the different components of this collection, including the gorgeous album cover. So Picture This is beautiful blues, navies, blacks, some beautiful greens. The album cover also comes in fast to fab, which means that you can order it with pages that are ready to go with your pictures. So with about 80 to 100 pictures and a couple of hours, you can have a completed album. So it's just that easy. So the Fast to Fabulous, the project recipe, this is from your advisor, so you can find this through a Creative Memories advisor. We have 2 paper packs, including a tonal paper pack and a designer paper pack. They're so beautiful. Stickers, mats, and embellishments. We also have a template for this collection called Snapshot, and so much more. A couple of other things that we're launching are peekaboo pockets in new sizes, including 6x12. So if I've left a couple of pictures off, with a tiny piece of adhesive, I can add a sleeve to one of my pages. And we also have 8x8s right now, and this one we've started using the same collection. So it's a great time to get kids involved or work on a project. This one is actually for some crafting projects with a toddler during stay-at-home time, which is adorable. So there's also a punch called Camera Love. And you can find this and so much more through your advisor or go to creativememories.com.